Hey guys, looking for a great trike with low miles for a great price? Take a look at this. Now this is an 05 Harley Davidson Ultra that has a DFT kit on it. Now DFT is located right here in Addison, Illinois, so right down the road from us. And it is the only one that I know of that puts on a full independent rear suspension. And that's why it kind of has that kind of old school look to it here, because it's got to fit in those suspension, and you can kind of see in here what I'm talking about. Look at that suspension, guys. No Harley has this kind of suspension on it. This thing drives like a freaking Cadillac, like as if you're floating on clouds, guys. The rear end on this thing alone is like $8,000. It's probably one of the most expensive trike kits you could put on because of that rear suspension that they offer. Plenty of storage back here as well. That's another big key. As you'll see, also has the rider's backrest back there, but tons of extra storage for you. And here's the nicest thing, guys. Take a look. 12,555 miles. That's huge. Got the Daymaker headlights and road lights up here, like you can see right there. Very clean bike at a very, very nice price. That's the one thing that I will tell you. You will not be disappointed with the price on this trike. I'm going to tell you right now, these DFTs, they don't last long. When we get them, they definitely sell. If you're looking for a great trike at a great price, look no further than Chicago Cycles and Motorsports. 708-397-5151.